had no intention of joining the OLSP system. In my 4-year affiliate marketing journey, I invested in many similar programs. Some didn't work for me, and others turned out to be scams. For example, in 2021, I put money into a program called ListLion, which turned out to be a scam and never paid me. In early 2024, I tried another MRR program called Legacy Builders, which did not work for me. After multiple disappointments, I resolved never to join any new Make Money Online program again. However, in mid-2024, I saw some of my Facebook friends sharing their OLSP earnings. I had no idea what the OLSP system was at the time, but I saw people happily announcing that they got paid from commenting on Facebook with proof. I also noticed they were sometimes earning 200% commissions on small sales, like making $14 from a $7 product. I was curious, but based on my past experiences, I was also scared. So I did my own research. I discovered I could sign up for OLSP for free, but soon learned that to earn commissions or get paid for Facebook comments, I needed to upgrade to something called Megalink, which costs $7. Initially, I didn't buy it. Instead, I looked for YouTube videos to understand if it was legit. Meanwhile, more friends started posting about their OLSP results. Some were brand new to affiliate marketing, yet they were earning small commissions, and one of them even made a high-ticket sale that brought in around $498. I then spoke with a friend, Virendra, who was already doing well with OLSP. He explained everything in detail, and in December 2024, I decided to purchase Megalink myself. Over the past 4 months, I've had experiences, both highs and lows, within OLSP, and this review is all about sharing those first-hand experiences instead of just listing pros and cons. The OLSP system is an all-in-one affiliate marketing program with training, tools, and an automated system to help you earn income through affiliate marketing. Based on my personal experience, it's more than just a coaching program or software product. It provides solutions for finding products, building funnels, writing emails, setting up social media posts, driving traffic, and automating many tasks. As a beginner, this is a huge benefit because you can start earning money quicker without having to master every skill at once. OLSP offers multiple levels, but the main entry-level product is Megalink for $7. You can also upgrade further to levels like Team Builder or VIP, which give you more automation, higher commissions, and dedicated software tools. I personally started only with Megalink. Although I've been an affiliate marketer for about 4 years, I wanted to see if I could make money testing just the basic level. I also knew I might upgrade later. In about 4 months, I have earned around $1,700 in commissions, and if you count a March sales contest reward, I'll make an extra $1,500. So even with just the entry-level Megalink, I've done fairly well. Now, how exactly does OLSP work once you're a Megalink member? First, there's training inside the program that walks you through getting started. After that, you promote your Megalink in order to generate commissions. You can also earn money simply by commenting on Facebook thanks to a tool called Comment Dominator Pro. Every time you comment, you make 25 cents. It might not seem like a lot, but it adds up quickly if you're consistent. People have even made $200 just by doing that. And while you're active in OLSP, you're also earning points for logging in, making sales, generating leads, and other tasks each month. The top 20-point earners each month get cash bonuses ranging from $50 to as high as $10,000. In my first month, I earned a $50 reward. The next month, $400, and in March, I'm in 3rd place, which may earn me a $1,500 reward on top of my commissions. When it comes to commissions, Megalink buyers earn 100% on most OLSP products sold to Tier 1 countries. A $7 product will net you $7. Upgrading to Team Builder or VIP lets you earn 200% commissions on many products. So for that same $7 sale, you'd actually earn $14. The system also provides lifetime tracking, which means if a lead who joined through your link makes a purchase months or even a year later, you still get the commission. I've had leads join in December, buy one product in January, and then upgrade to VIP in March, and I was still paid. That's a big advantage over other affiliate networks, which often have cookie periods of 30 to 90 days. Another thing I appreciate is that OLSP pays commissions daily, as long as you meet a $50 threshold and wait out each customer's 30-day refund period. If you request payment on Fridays after 5 p.m. UK time, you can get your payout faster. So far, I've already received 2 payouts. To withdraw, you can use Wise, PayPal, or direct bank transfer. As for costs, you can start with a free account to explore basic features. To begin earning, you need to upgrade to the $7 Megalink, which unlocks the main portion of the system, including commenting for income and your affiliate link. If you want bigger commissions, you can then consider Team Builder for a one-time payment of $997 or VIP at $6,500. Both higher tiers offer more automation, funnel building tools, email campaigns, and bigger commissions. So, is OLSP a scam or legit? After my own experience, I can confidently say it's 100% legitimate. You can earn back your initial $7 with just a single sale or even by consistently commenting. OLSP regularly gives away high cash prizes for top earners in monthly contests. They literally pay you 25 cents per Facebook comment, and some people rely heavily on that for easy income. For me, it's helped me build commissions in multiple ways, and I've never found it shady or questionable. If for some reason you're unhappy, OLSP has a 30-day refund policy, and the support team is readily available via live chat. My own skepticism disappeared as soon as I realized how simple it was to break even with just one sale. So if you're on the fence, remember that you can get a refund if it's not for you. I'm at the point where I plan to upgrade to Team Builder soon, because I can see how that could double or triple my commissions. But even at the basic level, I've done well, and I've seen others do well too. If you choose to join through my affiliate link, I'll share access to my paid course, which explains how I promote OLSP and other affiliate programs. Whether you stay in OLSP or request a refund, you'll still have lifetime access to that course. Overall, based on my journey over the past 4 months, I encourage anyone interested to give OLSP a try. It might just transform your view on affiliate marketing the way it did mine.